Hello everyone, I'm about to show you an apartment building on Spruce Street, which is very close to the center city. There are a lot of restaurants and coffee shops in the area. The apartment building I want to show you is 1225 Spruce. Alright, I'm on the 4th floor, 4F, a 1-bedroom apartment. Just come to the unit. There is the front door I just passed. Front door. And here is the unit. It has a lower ceiling on here, but it's big living space. And you have this window for a natural light. It's a new wood floor. And your kitchen and living space is this. You will be looking outside to Spruce Street through this window. Just came in through the door. There is a door at the bottom of the steps here. And the next place I would like to show you is your bedroom. It's a big size bedroom. Before I go to the bedroom, let me show you what you have here in the kitchen. You have your cabinet space, a refrigerator, you have an oven, and also upgraded countertop. You also have a garbage disposal here. And there is a mini split for heat and air. It's brand new. Here is your bedroom. The bedroom, you have the same system, a mini split for heat and air. And it's a nice size bedroom. You could fit, I think, a king size bed. Although you have this slant ceiling. You have a huge window for a natural light and air. This is steps, the fire steps that takes you, the black metal you see outside is the fire steps that takes you to the first floor outside the building. This is the place in the bedroom. In the bedroom on the right hand side you have your closet space. Big size closet space. On the left side you have your brand new bathroom. Just on the right in the bathroom you have a tile shower. A tile floor, I'm sorry. You have a stall shower. Everything here is brand new. You also have vanity and mirror. With a storage at the bottom. Nice space. So this is 4F, a 1-bedroom unit. It's a top floor unit, so nobody is gonna disturb your sleep. He will be the top of the floor. And I hope you like the unit. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.